Welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to fix the rattle of your van's rear door. Rattle of the door occurs when the lower pad is worn to the point that the door catch is not connecting to the pad to stable the door, therefore causing the rattle. What we're going to do is to replace the door pad. I ordered the door pad, however delivery takes a week, so in my case I'm just going to flip the pad until the new pad arrives. I am using a T40 bit to remove the pad as I am working on Citroen Relay. The same tool applies to Fiat Ducato and Peugeot Boxer. I will be flipping the pad around, however you would need to replace the worn pad. As you can see, the pad is very worn and causing the door latch to not connect. Screw both the T40 bolts. Sometimes the pad is not worn, but rather the door catch needs to be realigned, so in this case you would need to adjust the door catch using T40 bit. You need to loosen the bolts and adjust it appropriately. Different vehicles have different bolt screws, so check your vehicle's workshop manual. Once you have changed your door pad or have adjusted the door catch, your van's door should not rattle. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.